Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move the time on the lock screen of your iPhone. If you've ever wanted to customize the look of your lock screen, you might have noticed that iOS doesn't offer a lot of flexibility compared to Android, but there are still some things you can do to personalize your lock screen. First off, let's talk about the default clock on the lock screen. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't allow you to physically move the time to a different location on the lock screen. Apple has set the position, and it can't be changed. However, you can customize the appearance of the clock to some extent. To change the look of the clock on your lock screen, follow these steps. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Select either Choose a New Wallpaper or pick one from your existing photos. Here, you can customize how the clock appears against different backgrounds. When you select a wallpaper, tap on Customize to change the font, style, color, and size of the clock. You have a few options to make it look just the way you want. Now, if you're looking to add additional clocks or more customization, you can use third-party apps. One popular app is the Flip Clock app, which you can download for free from the App Store. This app allows you to add widgets to your lock screen with the time. Here's how you can set it up. Go to the App Store and download the Flip Clock app. Follow the instructions in the app to set up the widget. After setting it up, you can add the Flip Clock widget to your lock screen. This provides an additional clock display on your lock screen. Using these widgets, you can add a live activity notification that shows a live clock, essentially giving you another clock on the lock screen. This is a great way to add more customization and functionality to your iPhone's lock screen. Keep in mind that while these options provide some level of customization, you still can't move the default clock to a different location. This is a limitation set by Apple in iOS 17. However, with iOS 18 on the horizon, we might see new customization features, so stay tuned for updates. That's it for today's video on how to move the time on the lock screen of your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Peace.